And you can see this is the original image, and I'm using a 3x3 averaging, 5x5, 7x7, and across the mask you can see how the image outcome is. And generally speaking, a 3x3 mask will be more effective when compared to 5x5 or 7x7. So this is another type of basic filter. This is called as order statistics filter. So in this case, what happens? It is a median. You might have been very much familiar with something called as median, isn't it? So statistics, mean, median, mode, and all we might have studied in our school days as well. So in this case, I am going to have again the same mask. I am going to have a similar mask operation. I am going to have. Let me take a 3x3 mask. 9 elements will be there. And these 9 elements, how normally you used to find out a median, you will arrange them in ascending or descending order. You will take the center most value, isn't it? So 9 elements, the center most value will be the fifth one. So that is what you call as median filtering. When you pick the center value, it is called as median filtering. But it is not a hard and fast rule that you should pick only the center element. You can pick even the second element, you can pick even the third element, you can pick even the seventh element or the ninth element, anything. Accordingly, it is called as that order, second order, third order, fourth order, ninth order, seventh order, statistic filter. Again, this depends according to our requirement. So what is the difference between mean filter and median filter is? So in median filter, whenever you take average of this 9 element, you will get a new value which may not be among the 9 elements. So if you take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, etc., whenever you take the average, it need not be always within this 1 to 9. So you will get a new value which is not there in the existing set. Whereas this median, you are picking one that is available in your set. So you are replacing the pixel under consideration, that is the erroneous pixel or that is noisy pixel, whatever it is, with the value which is already existing in the neighborhood. So this is the difference between averaging filter and order statistics filter. Again, you can prefer any order as the case may be, as your application requirement. If you pick the center value, it is called as median value. So this median filter, if you see, they are more applicable for a special type of noise called as a salt and pepper noise. So as the name implies, this salt and pepper noise will have pure white noise values and pure black noise values. So pure white and pure black. So whenever you arrange them in ascending or descending order, this white and black will take the two extremes. One will go on one side and the other to the other side. So when you pick the median value and replace this erroneous pixel with the median value, then you can completely eliminate this salt noise as well as this pepper noise. So this median filter is very much applicable for a special type of noise called as a salt and pepper noise. Otherwise, we can go in for averaging filter. So the methodology is shown here. You are having a 3x3 mask. You are arranging them in ascending order and you are taking the centermost pixel. So in this case, this is median filtering. In this, you can see how salt and pepper noise has corrupted this image. You are seeing a lot of black and white spots, isn't it? So only it is called as a salt and pepper, zeros and ones. So you will have pure white, pure black pixel values everywhere around the image, shattered around the image. So whenever you perform median value, this white will go to one extreme, black will go to another extreme. So we are not going to touch them. We are going to take only the center value. So here you can see a completely filtered out image. You can see the output wherein the salt and pepper is completely eliminated. So the median filter is very effective for salt and pepper noise. So these two things are called as smoothing filters. As I told you, averaging filter causes smoothing effect and median filter is very much applicable for salt and pepper. So you also have another set of filtering called as sharpening filtering. So before we go into sharpening filter, so we will just see how the codes work out for whatever we have seen. I will open up